घर साफ है और बाहर भी है, स्वच्छता के रास्ते पे आगे ही बढ़े, आगे ही बढ़े।
गांव गली मोहल्ले शहर सभी में स्वच्छता का त्योहार करे।
स्वच्छमेव जयते, स्वच्छमेव जयते, स्वच्छमेव जयते, स्वच्छमेव जयते, स्वच्छमेव जयते, स्वच्छमेव जयते, स्वच्छमेव जयते,
स्वच्छमेव जयते।
इरादे हैं, देश से वादे हैं, हर कर्मी साथी बिन सपन ये आधे हैं।
स्वच्छता के महानायक का, स्वच्छता के हर प्रहरी का आभार करे, आभार करे। स्वच्छमेव जयते, स्वच्छमेव जयते, स्वच्छमेव जयते, स्वच्छमेव जयते।
Good morning, everyone. I am Nathan Rodriguez from Bethany Convent High School, going to express my feelings. It is very sad to see so much waste scattered around a beautiful village of Sajosti Idol. We have kept this Cleanliness Drive and claimed some parts of it. But my dear villagers, it is each one's responsibility and duty to keep our surroundings clean for the present and better future ahead. Now my friend Shifa will sing a song on cleanliness. स्वच्छ भारत का इरादा, इरादा कर लिया हमने देश से अपने वादा, ये वादा कर लिया हमने स्वच्छ भारत का इरादा, इरादा कर लिया हमने देश से अपने वादा, ये वादा कर लिया हमने स्वच्छ भारत का इरादा कर लिया हमने देश से अपने वादा कर लिया हमने स्वच्छ भारत का इरादा, इरादा कर लिया हमने देश से अपने वादा, ये वादा कर लिया हमने। हमसे निकलेगी स्वच्छता की एक नदी, चल 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 कर 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 एक धुली सी जिंदगी, स्वच्छता की जोत लेकर घर घर जाएंगे, साफ सुथरी रोशनी में सब नहाएंगे। स्वच्छ भारत का इरादा, इरादा कर लिया हमने देश से अपने वादा, ये वादा कर लिया हमने।
Finally done. Let's head home.
Wait, did you just throw that glove there?
Yeah, it's a small thing. Someone else will pick it up anyway.
And that's exactly the problem. People think someone else will pick it up. And this causes waste everywhere.
But it's such a small thing. Does it really matter?
Well, cleanliness doesn't start with big cleanliness drives. It starts with the very small actions, like throwing your own waste in the bin.
I never thought about it this way.
Well, you know where this belongs.
Yes, you're right, my friend. Thank you for telling me. From today onwards, everyone should be responsible for their own waste and keeping their surroundings clean.
So my name is Armando Gomes, a teacher from Bethany Convent High School. Today, as you can see on the banners, Sanjay Dayal Village Panchayat, in association with our school, Bethany Convent High School, the students, along with the teachers, and all the Panchayat members are here. We have conducted this drive, cleanliness drive, from our school to the Panchayat. And you can also see just a small, I'm not saying small area, but a small distance, but the garbage is more. So from where this comes from? That's the question, right? From where this comes from? This comes from us. We are the people who create all this particular garbage. My message to you is simple. Cleanliness is not only about keeping our surroundings clean. It is also about promoting good environment, healthy living, responsible citizenship. If you do these things properly, then I think so automatically this will reduce and will become zero one day. First, we need to stop dumping garbage in our streets. We have to keep our surroundings clean. Secondly, when we put garbage in our homes, we need to segregate and put it. So this is my message to all of you. Thank you.
Clean one, clean all.